Hi there guys. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best actual plugins that you can use for Elementor. Let's head back to our website dashboard and let me show you. Follow alongside with me. In the plugins right here, click on Add New. There are a couple, 2 or 3 plugins that we are going to add for Elementor. Search for plugins, click on Elementor and search it. Click on Enter and you'll be good to go. Right here, make sure that you already have Elementor Website Builder installed. To verify this, you're going to find this active button to be not clickable and not active. To again verify this, under the installed plugins, find the Elementor right here. Let's go back. Elementor again. Elementor. Search it. And that's basically it. Right here now, we're going to look for this one. There is this one called Header Footer Builder Mega Menu. We are going to click on install for this one. And you can even add this one, which is called the essential plugin you installed after Elementor Pack, with 14 free themes, including advanced data table, event calendar, filter per gal, and you're good to go. Click on install for this one as well. I also suggest finally to add the Elementor header and footer builder. That's basically it. Now head to the installed plugins. So we don't waste time, choose all of them, select all of them. Choose right here and click on activate, click on apply. After that, you've successfully installed the Elementor plugin for each one. So I'm basically looking for basic for websites where you want to use only basic features and keep your site lightweight. Advanced is like if you're trying to build complex websites with advanced functionalities. Custom is literally you coding without even needing this plugin. Click on next. So I'm gonna disable most of this stuff because I'm not really looking for it. Maybe I'll be using post grid, content ticker, not really. Data table, not really. Click next. And if you choose any of those, you can choose them. I'm not really looking to advance or upgrade to the pro. Click on next. Click on next. You can install this one that have some 2000 ready templates with Elementor and Elementor Addons. Click on next. You can install some stuff to embed or add anything to your website. And that's basically it. Click on next and you're good to go. No thanks. And congratulations, you've downloaded everything correctly. That's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and goodbye.